Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send or add reminder Gmail on your Gmail account. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Right now you can see that I'm on the inbox section of my Gmail account. Now I will show you how to do that. Now at the right portion in this where you can see there are several options like calendar, then keep, then task. You have to tap on this task button. Now this type of interface will be loading. Okay, now you can see a button add a task. Tap on it. Now you have to add the title like my class. Okay, then you can tap on details to add the details like I have an important class. Okay, then you can see it is written here date or time. Tap on it, then you can select the particular date and you can also select the time like that. Then if you want to make this reminder repeated, then you can select repeat, and otherwise you do not need to tap on this repeat button. Then click OK. That's it. You have to check this mark. Okay, you can see task completed. So you will get a reminder Gmail at the time and date that you have selected. And that's all about today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.